Well, I'm talking on the video. Got a new washer. I asked Gloria if she forgot how to hand wash. I mean, that's what Filipinos grew up doing, washing by hand. She said, yeah, she forgot how to do that. So anyway, we got this washing machine. We're not quite sure how to use it. Here's something I don't get. Now this one's got a washer and a dryer connected. But I don't get what are these clips here for? Seem like they should hold something, but not the way it's spinning. Man, that water's dirty too. Going a little bit one way and a little bit the next. Of course, there's no electrical outlets, electrical plugs in this little room, so extension cord. But look, water selector, timer. Load selector, washer, drain, and over here this is the dryer instructions. I'll show you what that looks inside when we put the clothes in there. We're living high on the hog now. Actually, the dryer, it doesn't dry, it just kind of spins it so it's damp, but we still got to hang it out on the clothesline outside. Of course, that chaps my hide that we have to dry something in this heat. But what Gloria wants is what Gloria gets. All right, we'll come back and says 10 minutes. I'll come back in 10 minutes. I think we're gonna go from wash, rinse, drain, spin, yes. Well, when I first put this on spin, it shuts off automatically. I had to put this plastic thing in there. Actually, there's more. So I took out, I put it on, put everything in there. It seemed like it was not balanced. It was going clunk, a clunk, a clunk, a clunk. So I took some of these out, and oh gee, I don't know. There's not that many, but hopefully it'll be balanced now. Okay. I don't know what that's for. Pretty quiet. I don't know if that means 10 minutes or 530, 10 minutes. Maybe time to read the manual, you suppose. Not yet. I gotta hang them outside. Dry it and then hang it.